Yeah. This tape measure won't even measure. What am I going to do with this thing? All right. 9mm versus my crappy tape measure. All right, as you can see, we put one right through the 16 foot and then we blew the back off of it. I'll try to hit the tape. So as you can see, the bullet went through the back here, or the front, one of the two, and then it literally just smashed the hell out of all this tape and tangled it all up and bent it all up. Pretty awesome. Thanks for coming along, guys. Please like and subscribe.